Welcome to Linguaverse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to episode 3 of your French A1 course. I'm Diana, your teacher.
And I'm Avery, your fellow student. Bonjour, Diana.
Bonjour, Avery. It's great to have you and all our listeners here. Today, we'll start with a warm recap of what we learned in our first 2 lessons. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's do it.
Excellent! Let's begin with the most common greeting. Remember how to say hello formally? I'll say it first, and then you repeat after me. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Perfect. Now for our listeners at home, repeat after me. Bonjour. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Great. Now for the informal way to say hi. Listen carefully. Salut.
Salut.
Wonderful. And for our listeners, your turn. Salut. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And finally, how to introduce yourself. My name is. Listen. Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Very good. Listeners, you try. Je m'appelle. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now let's put it all together in a tiny conversation. I will start. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Diana.
Je m'appelle Avery.
Fantastic. Remember to always repeat out loud. It's the best way to learn. Now, that was a great recap. Today, we are going to learn something you will use in every single French conversation. We are learning how to ask and answer, "How are you?"
Oh, okay. How are you? Is this used every day in France?
Yes, absolutely. Just like in English, it's a polite and friendly way to start a conversation. So let's learn how to ask the question first. It's very simple. The question is, ça va? Listen again, very slowly. Ça va. One more time. Ça va? Avery, your turn.
Ça va?
Excellent pronunciation. Now to our listeners, let's hear you. Repeat after me. Ça va? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's try it one more time. Ça va. Ready? 3, 2, 1. You're doing great. Now let's see how it sounds with a greeting. I'll say hello and ask how you are. Avery, you just repeat the question back for now. Bonjour, ça va?
Bonjour. Ça va?
Perfect. Now we need to learn how to answer. Let's start with the positive answers. The easiest answer is to just repeat the question. If someone asks, ça va? You can answer, ça va. It means, I'm fine. Listen, ça va.
Ça va.
Good. Listeners, your turn. Ça va. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's practice this in a mini dialogue. I will ask the question, and Avery, you will answer. Ready? Ça va?
Ça va.
Excellent. Let's do it again so our listeners can get used to the sound. Ça va?
Ça va.
Great. Now, what if you are feeling very well? You can say, ça va bien. The word bien means well. Listen slowly. Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Perfect. Listeners, please repeat. Ça va bien. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now for our dialogue. You know what to do, Avery. Ça va?
Ça va bien.
Perfect. And one more time for practice. Ça va?
Ça va bien.
Wonderful. We have one more positive answer. It's very common and means very well. The phrase is très bien. Listen to the first word, très. Now the whole phrase, très bien.
Très bien.
That's it. Now for our listeners, let's hear you. Très bien. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Time for our mini dialogue. You know what to do, Avery. Ça va?
Très bien.
Perfect. And one more time for practice. Ça va?
Très bien.
Excellent work. So we have 3 positive answers. Ça va bien, and très bien. But of course, we don't always feel great, so let's learn a neutral and a negative answer. If you are feeling just okay or so-so, you can use this expression. It's a bit fun to say, comme ci, comme ça. Listen again, comme ci, comme ça.
Comme ci, comme ça.
Exactly. Listeners, your turn to try. Comme ci, comme ça. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's practice it in our dialogue. Avery, ça va?
Comme ci, comme ça.
Good. Now, what if you are not feeling well? You can say, ça ne va pas. This literally means it is not going well. Listen closely. Ça ne va pas.
Ça ne va pas.
Très bien. Listeners, your turn. Ça ne va pas. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do our final mini dialogue. Avery, ça va?
Ça ne va pas.
You both have done an amazing job. Now we have a whole set of expressions. Let's practice them in some slightly longer conversations. This time, I want our listeners at home to repeat both roles. Repeat my line after I say it, and then repeat Avery's line after he says it. We will leave pauses for you.
Bonjour. Ça va bien?
Great. Conversation 2. This one is more informal. Salut, ça va?
Très bien.
Excellent. And conversation 3. Bonjour, ça va?
Comme ci, comme ça.
You are all doing so well. Now it's time for you, our listener, to speak. I'm going to ask you the question directly. I want you to answer out loud using any of the expressions we learned. Are you ready? Okay. Ça va? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's try again. I'll add a greeting this time. Bonjour, ça va? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. How about an informal one? Salut, ça va? Ready? 3, 2, 1. One last time. Choose your favorite answer. Ça va? Ready? 3, 2, 1. That was brilliant. It can feel strange talking to yourself, but it is the key to building confidence. And please remember, it is okay to speak slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is that you are trying.
I agree. At the beginning, I was nervous, but now I feel like I can really say something. I can greet someone and ask how they are. It feels great.
That's the spirit, Avery, and that is exactly our goal for every listener. Let's do one final slow recap of all the expressions from today's lesson. Repeat each one after me. Let's begin with the question. Ça va? Now the answers. First, I'm fine. Ça va? Very well. Ça va bien?
Ça va bien.
Very well. Très bien. So-so. Comme ci, comme ça.
Comme ci, comme ça.
And I'm not well. Ça ne va pas. Incredible progress today. You have learned a fundamental part of everyday French conversation. We are so proud of the effort you are putting in.
Thank you, Diana. That was really helpful.
You are very welcome. That's all for episode 3. Join us next time for episode 4, where we will learn how to count in French with numbers from 0 to 10. Until then, keep practicing. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Thanks for joining us on French Conversations for Beginners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes. See you next time.